Docker, right? Docker and yeah, Docker. Fine. Okay, fine. So Docker actually, we will be covering three scenarios. Okay. So theory, architecture, everything we will be discussing now. Our architecture will do tomorrow. Okay. So theory will do now, and we'll do one scenario today. Okay. So let me first get the notes of the Docker that I am having it. Tell me, dear.
Sir, while expiring the account now, portal Azure portal. So we need to deactivate account, sir. Do we need to deactivate account, or else it will?
When?
So day after tomorrow, my account will expire, sir.
Okay. So delete everything.
Okay.
Delete all the resources.
Okay.
There is no need to do anything. And if you delete it, the cost will be 0. You can. I'll show you that today. I'll show you. Okay. What you have to do. Okay, so we have a question from Niranjan side also, and from one of my teammate from like offline side also. Okay, and maybe not only these two folks, maybe like multiple guys would have the same thing issues in the mind. See, whenever your free trial gets ended, okay, whenever the free trial gets ended, what you have to do? You just go to subscription and you to work on that. Okay, so let me tell you what is that subscription you have to do it. You go to here. Okay, let's see portal account, right? So let me go to portal.azure.com. first thing, right? portal.azure.com. so let it come, then subscription, and try to unlink your debit card, credit card, whatever you have given already. Okay. So if you go back to your subscription, come here, just try to go there. Okay. Then if you come down, first thing is you have to delete everything. All the resources. The resource counts to be 0. Okay. After that, if you come down, there is an option called as a payment methods. Okay. What I did, I went to the home page, I went to subscription, I just tried to open my subscription. After opening my subscription, I am trying to come scroll down. Okay. And I wanted, so for Akhil also 6 days is remaining. Okay. So if you come down, there is an option called payment methods. Right? Just click on the payment methods. Okay. So you need to have administration access. So what is administration access you need? Tell me. Can you guys tell me this issue? What is this? Just read the message and let me know.
So that is a default directory.
We need to change the directory, sir.
Default directory.
So we need to switch the directory.
Before you go to Default directory, you are right. Because default directory is the main directory for this, right? So let me jump to the default directory. Okay. So let's go to the my default directory. Okay. Right here. So let me click on that, and here you can go back to here, and then you just try to come to default directory. But where is my subscription? Which directory I was earlier?
Apollo.
Apollo. So let me go to first Apollo, and to switch from Apollo to here, isn't it? So let me go to subscription. Go to subscription. Click on the change directory. Make it to default directory. Click here. Change it. Okay? Change it. Right? Then it came to your default directory, right? So let me now go to my default directory. Where should we go? Default directory. So let me go to default directory. Okay. Where to go? Subscription. Oh, it is not. We'll give 2 minutes of time to come. Okay. It takes some time to come, no? Get it. It takes only 2 minutes of time, guys. So let's wait for 2 minutes of time. VM is.
So, if you get anything like VM is no longer optimal availability state, what it means?
VM is says that whenever you are making it active, let's say VM is starting it, right? If we are not keeping it as an active state, starting it, okay, it will not be available. Right, there is a 2 option. If you create the VM, there is a 2 option you might be getting it. First option you can get it as started, stop, delete. If you make it as stop, it is no optimal available. But whenever you need that, you can start it also. But if you are going to delete that, okay, it's not ever available at all. You cannot retrieve back. Okay, so it is idle optimal. Okay, when you are keeping it as a stop, it is idle optimal, no longer available. If it is completely permanently deleted, if you delete it from your Azure, charges will be. If you click on a stop also, charge will be stopped. Don't worry. But delete completely without any taking tension, it will be deleted. Okay. What if it's taking too long? In the whole day. You are working, then I understand. What about the guys who is not working? Master? What are you doing? When are you getting up in the morning? 9 o'clock. 9 o'clock I used to have finished 2 batch. 7:30 to 9, 1 batch. That is demo today we are doing. We did it. Daily 7 o'clock now. I am thinking when Saturday will come.
Same thing.
Believe me, why? Because there's one batch over, so you just turn back. Okay. Hello? 1 minute. I think it won't come. In the last time we changed the subscription which we created for Apollo. For me it's also the same. It should come. Why it will not come? I can move subscription, right?
Sir, I think you are on.
It will come, nobody. Why not come? Sunil, any particular reason? Wait, I'll just check it out then. So let me go to Apollo. Okay, I went to the free trial and tried to move to change directory. So really you also did it, no? It should go right, ideally it should go no. If it is not going, then we will create a defect. File to change subscription, okay? File to change subscription directory. Sorry, fail to change subscription directory. Please try again. Why is to try? Maybe like it is already not moving, it seems. Maybe it might be moving, okay? So hold on, if it is, we'll see 5 minutes of time. If it is not moving, then we have to create a defect. Okay? We'll create a defect, we have to raise a defect to where? Whom I'll raise a defect?
Microsoft.
Yes, Microsoft. Because he is our developer, no?
Yes, sir.
So we'll go to Microsoft. We will create a defect only, don't worry. If you still coming the same thing. No. So we will wait. It is already moving actually. Okay. So we'll go to default directory and we'll see. If not, then we'll raise a ticket. We'll see for 5 minutes of time. Okay. 6:37. If not, then we have to raise a ticket.
Sir, after payment method, what would be there?
Payment method?
After payment method, what would be there? Like
You have to cancel that.
just only cancel
Delete.
or
No.
delete?
No delete. You have to go and make the payment first. Completely. Okay. And then after that you have to remove it. There is 3 dots will be there.
Okay.
After 3 dots you need to just click on the remove. Then it will ask you for the whether you are really removing it. If there is a single rupee also, they will not remove it. If there is a bill pending, they will not remove. You have to make the payment first. Then you have to remove it. There is also one tactics to do it, don't worry. If it is there, if let's say you are getting some issues, they are saying that you cannot remove it, there is a pending on you. Then we have issues, we have option that. So try to always create these all type of things with what? Like ICICI, HDFC, some private bank. Okay, why? Because if you go with a private bank, no, we have one option for that. Okay, you could able to, okay, you could able to go ahead and you could able to, what is that? The option for you is, like how you are sending that 2 rupee will give it debited, no? You will get a message, no? Up to 2 lakh rupee, you can take it from that, right? So if you go back to debit card internet banking, there we have option, you can uncheck it also. What happened last time? It was 9,000 came bill for me. I paid 8,000 rupee, again 1,000 rupee extra with the GST fine they added. So what I did, I thought like it's extra, right? The rest of like 1,800 rupee, no? I didn't make the user service, they added it. I removed the payment method only. I just went there, I changed my Axis card, I told my ICICI card, not make the payment. Now they are always trying it. They are sending the message to me now also. But because until unless you are not saying the bank go and debit that, they will not do it.
Yes.
We have option, so we need to check it that. That doesn't mean that you do that. If there is something wrong happened to you, then only you have to do. Because they are deducting 2 times for me, right? That's the reason. But why it's not moving? Came now. Sunil, it came, right? Sunil, it came for me. What about you? It came? Yes, you also just try to do it or it will come, don't worry. So now let's go here. You have to go to free trial. Okay? Let me go there. You have to go to
Payment methods.
yes, payment methods. Go to payment methods. This is my maybe like this is Akil card. Okay. So Akhil can do one thing. He can go to here, click on it, delete it. Okay? I will not delete without still 6 days is there, Akhil will have it, right? So you have option to delete it.
So we need to do it before 1 2 days or at the same day is fine?
Same also you can do it, no problem. See, until unless you are not making the use of service, they are not giving you some amount. Okay, and until unless you are not making, see, let's see what happened. Your still service is active. So obviously it will go to minus on your account, but they will not debit it. They'll tell you that until unless you are not going to pay as you go, they'll ask the money, but they don't have authority to do it. They'll ask the money from you. Okay, that make the payment. People are getting worried and they are making the payment. Okay, but they don't have authority until unless you are pay as you go subscription. But if you are pay as you go, they'll not ask also. They'll cut it out. Simply, they'll cut it out here. Okay, just go there, click on the delete. It will ask some authentication message. So just reply it out and close. That's it. Okay. So better last day. Like let's say today is the last day, morning time to it. Close it. Okay. Fine. One more thing you have to keep in mind. There is option of invoice. Do you guys know about invoice? Have you shown you? Okay, let's discuss this today only. Okay. You know the invoice? Have you seen the invoice before? When I have shown you?
No,
No.
I am.
So you guys have tried it. How?
Like sir, we are watching that win was
Here.
that much.
No. But you have seen the bill.
Yeah, here
No.
we don't see that.
No, you didn't see. No. Okay, don't worry. So actually, there is so it's saying to cancel the subscription delete it. It is saying to cancel. No, I'm not. Yeah, hold on. It will get expired tomorrow now. So tomorrow you cancel it and delete it. If you delete it here, obviously they'll tell you to cancel the subscription, right? Then only you can delete it, no? Right? Then you can do it tomorrow. Don't do it now. Anyway, today, let's try to understand the invoice only. Let's make it this one. So what is invoice? Anyone tell me? What is meaning of invoice?
All the details are there.
Invoice is something called a bill. So guys, let's discuss this. We'll start that Docker tomorrow. Okay. I will give the theory today. Practical will start tomorrow. Okay. So invoice means bill that they will give you. When they will give you?
If you have any subscription.
No, it's not like that.
After
They will give you the billing period. See, if you see my billing period, I mean Akhil billing period. Okay. If you see the Akhil billing period, what is the billing period of Akhil? Billing Akhil period is September 20th to October 19th. So his bill will be generated on 90th night. That means that 20th of October his bill will be generated. Did you get the point? 20th of October his bill would be generated. Not before that. Okay? Not before that. It would be generated not before that. It will be generated on that same particular day. Okay, no? So if you click it out on that date also, if you go back to your invoice, it will be generated invoice document. So let me do one thing. I will go back to my account, okay? That previous account what I was giving the training to you, right? So I'll show that as well for you now. Okay? So this account is portal.azure.com. We have done that, right? So now if you go to portal.account, it's always used to tell me to verify my Azure. Let's verify what's the big deal in that. Let me go back to my Gmail. Okay. So I came here, Gmail. So what is the password? Yes, this is the password, right? Copy that. Let's try to move here. Okay, verify it. So if you come back to, let me go to my bill. Come back here. You could observe it. See, my case. If I wanted to delete it, what will say? Go to payment method. copy as Apollo. No. Right? No. So I need to what to do? I need to move my subscription right to default directory. Change it. Where to where? Apollo to default. Okay. Meanwhile it is created. Let me go to my invoice. Okay. Cannot change the directory. Mine is disabled actually. My subscription is disabled. Okay. Don't know the payment issue. Right. So it is disabled. So 3 billing period is there. Can you see?
Yes, sir.
Paid. So I paid. See how much you pay. 11,000 I paid. Then why they made no? They already deducted. Guys, see, I thought I didn't make the payment, but see, they already. I told on 9,000 something. So they already deducted the amount from my credit card. So no pay. Okay, see 11,000, 17,000 per month I got a bill. Okay, for 1 month. So let me go back to this bill. Okay. How come I can do that? Okay, see. Let's click here. So you download your bill. Just download that invoice. Okay. So it will go to your download section. Let it come. So let's see azure bill I'm typing. Okay. Just azure bill. So let me open the azure bill. Yes, the bill look like this. Where hello please? Hello. Your bill will look like this. Okay. It comes from where it is coming? From where it is coming?
Microsoft.
It is getting from the Microsoft, and the PAN number of the Microsoft is this. Phone number is this. Okay, the support number of mail is azure.microsoft.com or support or option, whatever it will be. It will come as a hello Naveen hello technology. Why Naveen hello technology? Why it is coming up?
Your organization.
No. When you have chosen that organization, tell me. I want another really appreciate your friend. Guys, online.
We have taken payers
No, even you also have done it. You also have done it. Everyone has done it. Abdul, Ajit, Madhuri, Niranjan,
Sir, we are doing
Prashant,
job or
Rashmita, Shoaib, Sunil. Why? When I have tell me?
sir, we are doing that work now.
What work?
In that
Portal.
My office. My office you are saying that?
No, sir.
That is a different company. No?
We are doing practice now in the portal.
Okay, you are doing the practical, but where I get this name? My question is, how it has given Naveen Hello Technology?
Might be from
My
credit.
question is that?
Might be from credit card.
Huh?
There is a credit card details, right?
Credit card, there is no relation. Online guys have given, few guys have given the right answer, but I am not opening the message, you will see that, okay? So that's why I am not opening. Guys, few of them you have given the right answer. Tell me, when you guys has given that, where you have where I would have given the Naveen Hello Technology? Think it. Try to draw it. Do you remember that at the time of creation of the free account, there is an option called organization.
Yes, sir.
There I have given that Hello Technology, Naveen Hello Technology. Right? Organization was there or not?
yeah, that's
Same organization is coming. Address was there. So I also gave the BK code Hyderabad 50016 India.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Right? And the PAN number, this is my PAN number I have given it. Okay? Clear now?
Yes, sir.
Good. So let's come down. Yes, Niranjan and team, yes, you are right. You guys are right. So let's see. This is the order ID that we generated it. This is my subscription ID. Pay as you go subscription amount. Okay? Subscription ID. Billing period is September 4th to, sorry, what is it? September 4th to October 3rd. last third this month. Okay. Due date was 10th. Sorry, 4th only. Telangana. Okay, charges are 9,700 rupees. This guy they have charged extra date charge 1,700 something. Okay, so total they made it is 11,000. 18% tax also is there. So it is 11,000 bill has come. Okay, so please do not pay. You will be charged the amount during the selected due through the selected mode of payment. That means the card you have used it, right? Same card will debit from their account. Come down. See the bill. Good. Okay. See, I'll come back and see from when it is started. September 3rd. Guys, have a look please. So this is the order ID. This is the order ID and this is the amount 64 rupees, 66 rupees, 63, 65.231. It's hourly charges, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so these are all charges I got it. Okay? Right, let me give you the explanation what charges, which account I charge, okay? Yes, have a look. Then you get the idea. What is the more charges I got it? Virtual machine I created. For that I have to pay 493 rupee. Okay, maybe how many days I'm not sure I did it. See the 11 rupees per hour maybe it would be. I got 5,000 simple in the virtual machine. Solid 5,000 out of 11,000, 5,600 is virtual machine. Only virtual machine, 70%. While teaching you the virtual machine, I told you right,
Yes, sir.
not to use virtual machine if it is needed. That's why I got a lesson from there. I stopped it. Not I stopped. I deleted it. I used to delete it. Okay? Because why you pay? See no. I might not have used this much of time. Okay. So 5,600 bill has come. Then file, it is used as a 1 rupee. Then this all is okay. This all is okay. Container registry 269 rupee. Then again virtual network I created, which I told you right. It's 128 rupee. Okay. 128 rupee. Come down. If we come down again virtual machine 381 rupee. Database also is high cost. Okay, 129 rupee. There is a storage. I made it. So it is 993 rupee. I can pay 1,000 rupee in storage. Storage also I use it, right? Load balancer. It took 5 minutes and 8 rupee. What is the load balancer? In Kubernetes will learn. Okay. Kubernetes it will come in the Kubernetes itself. Come down. Then Azure Kubernetes services 242 rupees. In my office for purpose I use Grafana. Okay, so that is 846 rupee I use it. So total bill has come 9,700 rupee. Okay, so what you learned it from the bill? The main cost is coming up as from your is virtual machines, storage. These two are the really like the headache for you.
Yes.
You must have to work on that two part. Which all virtual machine and storage. These two part you have to take care of. Right now. If you are not taking, then your like if in the real time also your bill would be very high, and you could not. Invoice means your bill. Okay, since he has not crossed any invoice yet, no, you get a bill at last after 6 days of time. Then external service. Okay, if you are making use of any external service, like how Azure DevOps they use to run cloud. So here also if you are making any external service, you can go to the marketplace and you can make use of it. Payment, okay. Payment method, like we already discussed is like close this, delete this. The next is what is the next one? Okay. Resource 1. So it will give all the list of the resource that you are having. So still all these resources are still there activities. Okay. Then users plus quota. So what is the use and what is the quota you use it? This all it will come. I think this still okay. Billing part and cost management that is more than sufficient to understand. Okay. Billing part and cost management is more than sufficient. Clear? So billing part and list right? Can I go ahead and do that the basics of Docker now? Theory only, will not do any practical work. Okay. Let's go and understand what is Docker basics. Okay. So So let me take you to the notes.
So why don't you the virtual network use them?
Virtual network will not be sufficient to cover it all. It takes higher one class. Because as we tell you the virtual network, then after that in virtual network you have to understand the VNet, then you have to understand the subnet, then you have to understand the route table, then you have to understand the payment gateway. Four things you have to understand. If you are learning good learning. Okay. That's a bit late tomorrow. Yes, please rate all the services and please go and rate your payment method. Don't forget to rate your payment method here. Niranjan. Okay. So let's understand the very basic things I will be telling you. Two things here. Docker high level I will tell you today. Okay. Docker high level I will tell you today. Tomorrow we'll go with architecture basics and then after that we'll start with your what is that? We'll start with your practical also tomorrow. Just understand what is the Docker. See. But basically, whenever you wanted to work for multiple environments, okay, multiple environments, that time we will go ahead with the Docker. Okay, whenever you have to work with a multiple environment, that time we will go with the Docker. And why Docker is useful? Because the code will be converted into image format. Your code will be converted image format. So if you remember that, okay, if you remember that, when we try to create any app services or function app, can you see there is a two option is there? Code and container. Yes or no? While creating the first page, basic page only, there is option called code. Right now here, right now we'll create it. So code is there and container is there. So you'll have, if you're choosing the code, you have to give the code. The code in the repo. But if you use a container, you have to use the container file. That is the Docker file you have to give it. Okay. So these both would be provided by your development team only. You don't have to bother too much on that. Okay. So it will be provided your developer only. But let's understand the basic thing. What is the Docker? What is the Docker is? Docker is nothing. It is a kind of container form. Okay. So have you heard the shipment before? Shipment. This is not about the Flipkart shipment and all, Amazon and all, a small package, okay? If you go to the big ship, right? Ship. Why it is coming a ship? That is basically that word has come from that ship. Ship, right? Water. You go in the water, no? There, to carry, let's see, you might have heard the car, Ferrari, and what are the big car there we don't have in India. You're getting from the abroad, right? How it is coming?
By ship road.
Road, right?
No,
Road, no? Okay. By on ship. Yes. So they will come in the ship only, okay? So they will not come simply ship, they will take the air, water, rain and all, right? No. We have containers, big containers. Okay? Maybe you can say like 50 feet longer, 20 feet broad. Okay? That type of, okay. The chances are there in the future you get a company called logistic. These all will come in the logistic. I work for a company, Accenture, where I was working for logistic only. Okay? So logistic, these all things will come. Container count, you have to count. How many containers did you send in? What is item in the container? Cold item, milk item. Okay, shipment. What is the shipment? So these all will come in that, no, like your logistic domain. So ship, on top of ship, you are keeping containers. So it is a wire, right? It is a path you are going in. It is the same thing. Storing something in one container. So in one container, it's not only possible that we have only one car. I can keep one car. I can keep one bike also. My wish. Okay, no? Right? But if you wanted to keep in that one container milk item, so then in the freezer will be in, right? Yes, no? So there we cannot keep some wool or something. Similar type of product we can have to keep it, right? So container, why the reason has given the name as a container is it carries the code and it carries the combination of codes. Okay, that will run in not only one environment, it will run in multiple environments, multiple things you can add. Okay, so let's see that. Okay, we'll discuss tomorrow in detail why Docker, before Docker, after Docker, we'll try to understand more tomorrow. Okay, with container Docker architecture. Hmm? Issue is, what is the issue is? What will work basically? Okay, let's try to understand first microservices. Then I'll go back to your issue. Microservices is the main idea of microservices is that some type of application become easier to build and maintain. Okay, right? When they are broken, it's not when, it's not why, it's a when. Okay, when they are broken in small pieces. Tell me one thing, guys. What do you mean by microservices? You might have heard in the colleges if you are from electrical department. Even for the computer science, they also one paper microservices lab out there. Okay, microservices means this is a phone, right? So I will divide a small component of this phone. I will make these guys to work. And then work is over, I will combine it, I will assemble it. Then this become a phone. Okay? That will work as a microservices basically. Okay? So it will look like a microservices, a single Docker container. I can keep multiple files over there, and based on that, we could able to make use of our files. Okay? Now, next thing is Docker is a tool which designed to take it easier to create, deploy, and run. It's not only about the deployment. We can create the files, we can deploy it, and we can run any application using different containers here. Okay. So Docker is a lightweighted alternative to the VMs. Virtual machine alternatives. It is a lightweighted and it uses the same operating system which is hosted on the hostnet. Okay. So, but there you are using VM, you are using a different operating system. Actually, no, I'm using my Windows 10. But VM you can go with 11, 12, 11, 10, whatever it is that. But here it's not the case. It will use your VM only. Your operating system, whatever you're using it. Okay. Yes, Abdul. So then after that, Docker is something like that. You understand that? So it will be having any pre-located RAM is not used. So if whatever that RAM it is there in your or Docker, okay. So we'll be making the use of it. Other, don't worry. Tomorrow you are coming, right? So we'll be starting in the basics tomorrow class. Don't worry. Okay. This is just the definition. I'm reading it out. Okay. So I'm not starting up with the Docker at all. Don't worry. This is just the basics I'm trying to show you out how the Docker will look like and what we'll be doing in the session that I'll tell you. Okay. So to understand, we'll be doing 3 scenarios here. Okay. Let me tell you the 3 scenarios what all we'll be doing. First scenario is we will deploy our code Docker application with one environment. Clear? Second scenario is we deploy our Docker application with multiple. Let's see what is multiple. What is multiple? Multiple means multiple environment in the sense is, let's see, you have a code ready with you. Okay? You have a Docker file ready with you. Everything is ready. Now you have to decide, your manager tells you, please run your application in stage environment. Stage. You know the environment? You guys know the environment or not? No? Guys, if you don't know the environment, let me know, I'll tell you. Do anyone here who don't know? Say no. Okay. What is there in this? Environment is what here? Let's see. Simple example I'll give it, okay? Our school day example. You are writing board exam. You are directly going to board exam or you are writing pre-board also? Pre-board. How many pre-board? 1, 2, 3 or what are the pre-board? Why you are writing? To make prepared, then go and find it there. Right? Same buddy. Whenever, let's say, you are trying to deliver the application Flipkart to the client. Who is the client? Flipkart. Client is your Flipkart. So you wanted to very sure my application is very foolproof and it's very good, it's working fine. So that's why we have to deploy the application in multiple multiple environment like dev environment, or something like this. You can directly go to the QA environment, stage environment, okay. Then no, dev, QA, stage, prod, okay. Then finally we go to production. So see, if I miss something, I'll catch in the QA. If I miss something, I'll catch in the staging. So three layer of filter is there. Then I am going to production. That means I will be safer side. Okay, that is called as a deployment. Source code would be same. There is no change in the code. Okay, only thing URL, values, load will change. Okay, got the point now. Let's see if someone is getting the training on the flight pilot. They'll have only a alone. They'll take 2-3 guys. They'll take 5 guys, 10 guys. Then we'll take a small flight. Then we'll go to the goods flight. Then we'll go to the customer flight. Right now, slowly the increase the load, right? Same thing is also going. We'll first define our local environment. Then we'll see what is the fact. Is there any defect or something we are getting it? No. QA, stage, then finally we'll go to the production. That will live to the customer. Okay? That is called the environment. Okay? So the second scenario what you are telling, I'm calling about it. Let's see, suddenly your manager told you, Naveen, go and run your cases in staging. You go and deploy in staging. Go and deploy in production. Go and deploy in dev. So you will not say, hey, hold on, I'm writing my code. Okay, hold on, I'm writing my pipeline. No. You prepare before only. Whenever they say that, go with that. So that is option. Dev, QA. You just select it, run it. Got the point? So multiple environment will see that. Very good. This is the toughest part, okay? It will take some time for you to understand. It's the toughest part from us. Okay? Good. Third is, but not worry, I'll give you all screenshot, training, everything, that will not be problem for you. Third is deployment of our app with the Docker container registry, Docker registry. There is an application with called the Docker registry. Like how we have Docker registry, that is called the container instance. Container instance. That is third scenario. Like how we are creating the app services. App services we can create with the help of Docker also and container also. But if you wanted to, you know already that you have to go with a container. Then there is an application similar to the app service that is called the container instance. That will teach you. So 3, it takes some time. It will take 3 days of time to complete minimum. Okay. That's it. Let's stop it here. Okay. Let's make it tomorrow session. Tomorrow we'll prepare. We might have to extend till 7:30 also. Okay. We'll completely first we'll learn the theory, then architecture, then we'll go to the first practical. This is the first practical here. It's written. Can you see this? This is the first practical. Okay, this is the step that we are having. Get the Docker file, post the code in the repo, go to the portal, container registry, repository, access, build pipeline, enter Docker, build image, push image, then go to the pipeline, save it, queue it, container registry, go to app service, deploy it. Okay?
Those what environments are
Here these are all the environments. Okay, the environment, QA environment, stage environment, production. This is the different environment. Okay, no, understand, right? Something. At least sending the client to code or application to prod, we'll check it in different languages, different, different environment, whether it's working fine or not. If it doesn't work, then we will not send to the next one. We'll try to resolve that. So we have to deploy on daily accounts and these services. You are right, Abdul, you are right. We will be doing that. We will show you the not worry. So tomorrow we may not have a free trial. You will have it, don't worry. It's fine tomorrow, right? So tomorrow night you will have it, it will close, but you will make an arrangement of another account. Create some other account and unlimited. Okay? Fine. So guys, anyone have a doubt, please let me know in the payment method, anything? No? Okay, fine. So I will drop it here. Let's meet tomorrow with our session. the Docker. So tomorrow we'll start the Docker. We have understand the very basics about the Docker. It is very important. Please make sure it's very important. Okay. Thank you guys. Thank you.
Doctor, can you please help us understand that?
Simple. I told the example, madam. I gave you app services two ways. Publish profile and Azure DevOps code, right? Same thing similar to that. Developer might give you the code in the Docker format or they can give you the code format. Okay? It depends on the client to client and developer. But they will like, I'll show you the sample Docker file. Okay, let me share the screen one more time. See guys, one will be there. You can drop it into me sometime. Just hold on. So you can see your sample Docker file here.
Sir, do we have daily basis and calls with client?
Sorry?
Do we have calls with client?
Clients call, yes, daily we have. It depends, yeah. Like if you're working for product based, no. If you're working with a service based, yes, we have daily calls. See, this is the Docker file, okay? And downloaded it, I'll show you now. So let me go to download. This is my Docker file, I'll unzip it. Okay, extract all. Yes, extract all. Okay, this is Docker file. Okay, so there, this file is written in the Python language. You can see here. Okay, see Python language is written. Okay, so when you launch the application, the message will be coming as a hello world. This is the class name. Okay, this is a Docker. It's a Python file. Docker file is this. Okay, this is a Docker file. Right? Then you don't have to bother about why this is, what is this. Okay, it will be given by developer, but it is a set of collection of zip files. Okay, Jenkins file, Docker, requirement. Okay, everything. Even Terra also it includes it. You don't have to bother on that. Okay. You come.
Then simply give us this file and we have to get
Yes, yeah, they'll give you and they'll give the steps to the department note to you. This is a Docker file. Please make use of this. A Docker file, let's say, normal code you are deploying it, right? What you are doing here? Copy, publish below. Here there is no copy. Here is a copy image, build up. Here, sorry, not copy. Build an image, post the image. So we'll create one service in app service. Sorry, we'll create one service in your portal account where I'll keep the repository. Whenever I will build the image, then after building the image, changing the code to the image format, we'll push the image to that service. You have to go there and you have to verify whether this image has come out. Then from there, I'll make that image for my deployment purpose. Not very it's easy, you'll learn it. Okay? Fine, dear, then. Thank you. Take care.